Exercise number 3. Materials: 1 Arduino Uno R3, USB cable, 1 RGB LED, 330 ohm resistor, 1 breadboard, connecting wires, computer with Arduino software. Connect the common cathode pin of the RGB LED, second LED to the flat edge of the RGB LED. It is also the longest leg out of the 4 legs, to the ground of the Arduino board using black connecting wires. Connect 330 ohms resistor to the other 3 pins of the RGB LEDs. To the unconnected LED of this resistor using colored wires, connect them in the following manner. The LED with the flat edge of the RGB LED should be connected to the digital pin 11, red wire, the third LED to the digital pin 10, and the last LED to digital pin 9. And then open the Arduino software IDE and upload the code. You will see 6 different colors with our first 3 colors, red, green, and blue. You may want to cover the RGB LED with white masking tape for diffuse to see full colors.